Welcome back to Karen Up Top Kitchen. Hey. Now we're going to do our pepper shrimp. So I have like 4 pounds of shrimp. I already washed the draining, and this is a container to put it in. But because I'm lazy, all my peppers are blended up in this. So that is why I'm using my liquid pepper. And also you're going to have some salt, but marjoram, paprika, of course, sazon, and 2 heads of garlic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to crush these garlics to put on the pepper shrimp. So what I do now is here. It's very simple, very simple. Because it's 4 pounds of shrimp, I'm going to use three of them. This give it a little spice, little season, and also color. And I use like, I don't measure. You guys know I don't measure. So I just sprinkle away, little salt, done. Salt to taste. Okay, paprika. Yes. Sprinkle away, paprika. Okay. And then now we're going to use the butter. But you know, I'm going to put some, this is the Scotch bonnet pepper, liquid Scotch bonnet pepper. My friend make it for me, so I cannot use too much because it's very spicy. So this is it, very simple. So I just want to crush these and put it in. Looking good already. That's it. So put my butter in. Marjoram give it a lot of flavor. I use a stick and a half of marjoram. This is 4 pounds of shrimp. That's the only thing we measure. The 4 pounds of shrimp and the stick and a half of butter. Nothing else measured. Pepper turn up. I'm going to crush this now. A battle crusher. No, I don't. Just. See, my husband just get me my crusher. I remember say me have it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not even remember that me have my thing. It's a shame. Eh? Alright, see? Then now I just put a little piece of foil paper over it and stuck it in the oven. That's it. And when I finish, I come back again. Okay, welcome back. I think the shrimp is in the oven now over half an hour. So I think I'm going to check it to see if it's finished. It doesn't take long anyway. Remember, tell you, I'll put the foil paper. Oh my God, this is it. This is it. Yeah, see? Finito, finished. You know what happened now? One hour right in my mouth. Right in my mouth, one hour right now. That's what we call pepper shrimp. Okay? Me have to taste one. Pepper shrimp. Look sauce with it. It's hot enough. But I have to taste it for you guys. Just pop off. I'll show you how to eat it. Just pop off the head. One, two, three. Mmm. Juicy. Peppery. Perfect. Mmm. Enjoy. Mmm. Perfect. And the head, you just do like this. Mmm. Beautiful. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.